This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Susie Burns. Located on number 16 of DeSoto Golf Course and minutes from the West Gate Shopping. Vaulted living/dining room with natural stone fireplace and built-ins. Laminate flooring installed 2020 on the first floor. Beautiful sunroom and new lighted deck for watching all the natural wildlife. Spacious kitchen for easy entertaining. Privacy for guests upstairs. Storage galore in this home including a cedar-lined closet. Oversized 2-car garage with plenty of room for workshop. No seller's disclosure available. Roof 2016. For more information, review the details below or contact Susie Burns at 501-922-8989.